Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change font size on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, increasing the font size makes it easier for people with visual impairments or difficulties reading small text to use your device comfortably. Not only that, changing the font size also can improve readability, making text clearer and reducing eye strain for all users, especially when reading for long periods. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly enter to the settings menu. So here simply tap on display option and then scroll a little bit. So select font size and style menu here. After that, to resize the font on your device, simply drag the slider to the left side or to the right side according to your needs. There are several types of levels applied to your device font size. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change font size on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.